Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise that has been taken from chapter 9, active and passive voice. Students, have you learned the rules of active and passive voice? If you learn, you will solve this exercise. The manager called off the meeting. Called is the second form. It means past tense, and we use was for simple past tense, was or were. Now the object will become subject in passive voice and subject is changed into object in passive voice. The meeting was called off, and we add by before the subject. The meeting was called off by the manager. The meeting was called off by the manager. Was is used for simple past tense. Called is second form. And we use by before the object. Okay. The forest fire destroyed the whole village. In this sentence, the forest fire is subject. Now the subject is changed into object by the forest fire. In this sentence, the whole village object. Now the object will become subject. The whole village destroyed, second form, simple past tense. Now we use was. The whole village was destroyed by the forest fire. Beautiful animals roam the savannah. Now roam is the first form, and for first form we use is am are. First form is used for simple present tense, and for simple present tense we use is am are. The savannah is roamed by beautiful animals. Many tourists visit that castle every year. That castle. Now that castle is changed into subject. That castle is visited. Visit is first form. First form is it means simple present tense. For simple present tense we use is am are. That castle is visited by many tourists. By many tourists every year. He organized a great event. Organized second form, so we write here was organized. A great event was organized by him. He is changed into him. I received your letter yesterday. Now the subject is I and your letter is object. Object is changed into subject. Your letter received second form, so we write here was. Your letter was received by, I is changed into me. Received by me yesterday. Next, the principal will hoist the national flag before the program begins. Will hoist the national flag. The national flag object, now the subject. Now the national flag is subject here. The national flag will is used in simple future tense, and we add be in passive voice with will or shall. The national flag will be hoisted, third form. Third form is always used in passive voice. Okay, only third form is used in passive voice. By the principal before the program begins. Mother was serving dinner when the guest arrived. Was serving. Past continuous tense. In past continuous tense we use was or verb plus being for ing. Ing is changed into being. The dinner was being served by mother when the guest arrived. We will give laptops to all management students. Now we will give we subject, laptops object. Now the laptops will become subject here. Laptops will be given by us. We is changed into us to all management students. They sent the car to the service center. They subject, car object. The car was sent by them. They is changed into them to the service center. Okay students, now you have to do this exercise in your fair notebook. Thank you.